Actie.
Electric mobility is important to me because of the current climate situation by which we have to search for alternative means of transportation.
It enables students to work around sustainability in mobility.
I think that a project like Powered by Umicore can make people aware that there's an alternative to fossil fuels and an environment-friendly future with electric mobility.
The Powered by Umicore projects gives young engineers the chance to work with electric power, test innovative ideas and use these as an experience for the future.
Our project could have a share in the further development of all electric cargo ships.
In our project, we are trying to make use of the electric industry in the most efficient way, testing the limits of technology of the future.
We take what once was the future and bring it into reality.
I think the future of electric mobility will evolve rapidly and hopefully I can be a part of that.